Hello, my name is Pearl Marita Rossi, and this is my geography presentation for BPT 1501 2025, Semester 1, and my student number is 27001121. My tools I'll be using during my presentation is slides and an illustration. My slides will be my technology tool. I'll be using it to share my lesson more effectively with my students. My learning tool is my illustration. I'll be using the illustration to help me create a visual picture for my learners. The topic I'll be discussing during this presentation is the Earth layers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer the following questions. What are the Earth layers? Explain what each one's role is. The Earth layers. The Earth consists of four main layers, each with their own unique set of properties, which play a significant role in shaping our planet's geology and behavior. It seems there's more to Earth than just its oceans and lands. Let's make some notes. The Earth has four main layers. These layers we find inside the Earth, almost as if the Earth has a personality. This is Earth. It's also an illustration of Earth. But let's look closer. Let's look inside. When we look inside the Earth, we can see the crust, which is this dark outline of the Earth, and then we can see the mantle, which is the pink inside of the Earth, and then the outer core, and then the inner core. Now that we have the names of the layers, let's look deeper into each one. The crust, the outmost layer where humans live. It makes up only 1% of Earth's mass. The mantle, it lies beneath the crust. It's also the second layer and very hard, and it's made of semi-solid rocks, but it is still a solid layer. The third layer is the outer core. It's a liquid layer of nickel and iron made of melted metal that heat turned into liquid. This is not a solid layer. The inner core is our fourth layer, a solid ball of nickel and iron, which is metal, at the center of the Earth. Let's test your knowledge by answering the following quiz. What is the first layer called? Is it the crust, mantle, or outer core? I'll give you a moment to answer. Did you say the crust? Because that is correct. Let us remember some following points. The first layer is the crust. The second layer is the mantle. The third layer is the outer core. And the fourth and last layer is the inner core. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. I hope this presentation helped you. Bye.